English Lives.
Oh, finally. I've been waiting for this all morning.
Me too. I didn't even have breakfast today.
Sarah, that's not okay.
I know. I woke up late. No time.
You always wake up late.
Only on weekdays. Okay, what are you having?
I don't know yet. I'm torn between the pasta and the salad.
Torn between, meaning you can't decide?
Exactly. The pasta looks amazing, but I always feel heavy after pasta.
Heavy, as in tired and slow?
Yes, like my body just gives up and wants to sleep.
I know that feeling. That's called a food coma.
A food coma, that's exactly what it is.
So maybe the salad?
But the salad feels sad, like punishment food.
Punishment food. That's so true. Okay, what if you get the pasta but a smaller portion?
Can you even do that here?
Just tell them when we order. The worst they can say is no.
You're right. What about you?
I already know. The soup and the sandwich. Every time.
Every single time. You'd never try anything new.
I like what I like. Why risk it?
Because life is short, Sarah. Try the risotto.
I tried risotto once. I didn't like it.
Once? You gave up after once? That's enough information for me.
Okay, how was your morning?
Exhausting. 3 meetings before noon. 3.
That's too many meetings. Nobody needs 3 meetings before noon.
Apparently, my manager disagrees.
What were they even about?
The first one I understood. The second one I think I understood. The third one I completely lost track.
Lost track, meaning you stopped following?
Completely. I was just nodding and hoping nobody asked me a question.
I do that all the time. You just look thoughtful and nod slowly.
Exactly, the thoughtful nod. It works every time.
It really does. So, are you okay though? You seem tired.
I am tired, but it's a Wednesday tired, not a Monday tired.
What's the difference?
Monday tired is desperate. Wednesday tired means you're halfway there.
That's actually deep.
Thank you. I have my moments. Oh, perfect timing. That looks amazing. See? Pasta was the right call. Don't say that yet. Ask me in an hour. Takes a bite. Okay, yes, right call. Told you.
So, how are things with you? We've been so busy lately, we barely talk.
I know, it's been crazy, but actually, I have news.
Good news or bad news?
Interesting news. I applied for a new position inside the company, but a different team.
Wait, really? Which team?
The international projects team. It's more travel, more responsibility, but also more everything. Emma, that's huge. When did you decide this? I've been thinking about it for months. I just finally did it last week.
And you didn't tell me?
I didn't want to jinx it. To jinx it, meaning talk about it before it happens and ruin your chances? Exactly. Some things you keep quiet until they're real.
I totally understand that. So what happens next?
Interview next week. I'm nervous, but also excited, both at the same time.
That's the best feeling, honestly. Nervous and excited together means it actually matters to you.
That's a good way to look at it.
I really hope you get it, Emma. You deserve something new.
Thank you. Okay, try the risotto next time.
Never.
Never ever?
Never, ever. Okay, to Wednesday.
To Wednesday, and to smaller portions.
And to not having 4 meetings tomorrow.
Amen to that.